it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today is $5 Goodwill Challenge Day, and if you are not familiar with what that is, it is a challenge that is being hosted by the very lovely Hilary over at Old World Home. And what she has tasked us to do is to spend just $5 at your local thrift store like the Goodwill, a resale shop, garage sale, or anywhere that you can get secondhand items to bring into your home for this season. And the season, of course, is fall. Now normally Hilary does have us upload a lot closer to the start of fall, but this year she decided to go ahead and push it a little further to include like Halloween and Thanksgiving in this challenge. So the item that I ended up finding could be just a fall item for decor, or it could be a serving piece for Thanksgiving, and I am in love with it. And it is this gorgeous platter right here. It is an off-white in-tone color, and it has these gorgeous leaf details on both sides for like the handle of it. The back of it is just smooth plain, and then the center says gather in this gorgeous font in like a metallic gold, but not like a too shiny gold. As you can see, it's more of a metallic, but not like bright gold. Not antique either, but I love this piece. I looked it up, and it is by a company called My Evergreen, and I do believe it was approximately between $25 and $30. They don't have this exact pattern right now, but the ones this size ran between $25 and $30. So I ended up getting this for $4.99, and actually not even for $4.99 because it didn't have a price on it, and so the girl in the back marked it for $4.99 for me, and when I got up to the register it was marked down even more, so I paid $4 for it, and I absolutely positively love it. Now I'm probably going to display it in the back of my kitchen here, but for now I'm going to show you it in another room in my house, in my living room, on display so you can see how beautiful it is. So that is it for my $5 Goodwill challenge. Tell me, did you like the item that I ended up picking up for $4? I think it was a great saving. I love that Hilary does this every single season, so you can give an old piece a new life in your home and not have to spend extra money and buy new all of the time. I will link Hilary's channel down below, along with the playlist of all the other participants in this challenge, and believe me, there will be quite a few. Please go by and show her and all of them some love and tell them I sent you there. Okay, that is it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacey Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacey Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.